So yeah, good morning students. So again I am came chemical properties here. On that day I have tell to you that replacement of H and change with HO bond. So first is reaction with Na. So C2H5OH react with Na, it forms C2H5ONa plus H2O. This is said to be the sodium ethoxide. Reaction with aluminium. How it will form aluminium? It will say as CH3COH, CH3 and CH3 will remain here in the presence of the aluminium. It will form as 2CH3CCH3CH3 with 3H2. Reaction of alcohol with acetyl chloride. It forms as C2H5OH react with CH3 CH3O double bond OCl with the base and form as HCl plus C2H5O gives C double bond O. It form a ester here. Now same pattern we are using in this one also. CH3OH with CH3C double bond O Cl with the base. It form plus HCl to give as CH3O C double bond O CH3. Okay, so we can say this is a methyl ethonate. Okay, beta, I am again requesting to you write down these chemical properties and these things in your copy, so that in a paper time is there only you have to do the revision. Heating with carboxylic acid. When alcohol are heated with carboxylic acid in the presence of H2SO4, what we get? We get ester. So here C2H5 react with OH. Okay, C2H5 react with OH in the presence of the acetic acid. With the removal of the H2SO4 and heating process form as C2H5, this one, O, this one, C double bond O, C double bond O and CH3. Okay, C double bond O and CH3. This form as ethyl ethonate. Among this thing, what the thing is left, that is water. So water will come out. This is the heating with carboxylic acid. Next is one note is there. To perform the above reaction, we take labeled oxygen in alcohol and then it is heated with carboxylic acid. So what will happen? We have to take an oxygen and that oxygen we have to heat it, and it heated with the carboxylic acid, that is COOH. Then what will happen? The mass of produced water is found 18, proving the labeled oxygen is not with water. Okay, so what will happen? The mass it produced with water is 18. Okay, after this, next reaction of acid with Grignard reagent. This is said to be the Grignard reagent. In a Grignard reagent, it is written as CH3OH plus CH3MgCl. So CH3OH react with CH3MgCl. It will form as CH3O, this one MgCl, and the thing left is CH4. CH3 will come here. From here it will remain as CH4. Second one, C2H5OH plus CH3MgCl. Same pattern we are, sorry, Cl we are using, here we are using Br. So what we have to find out? C2H5, it will come as, here CH3 is came out, so what will happen? It will came as CH4 plus MgBrO2H5, or we can say C2H5, we can say like this also, C2H5O MgBr plus what the thing is left, that is CH4. Like this also we can write down. Okay, next is reaction involving the replacing of OH group and cleavage of CO bond. So first is heating with HX. Here ROH plus HX, with the heating it form RX. This RX, water is left, HH and O. ROH HCl, then ZnCl2, RCl plus what the thing formed, H2O. Reaction with PCl5, ROH plus PCl5 gives RCl plus POCl3 plus HCl. Reaction with PCl3, 3ROH plus PCl3 gives 3RCl plus H3PO3. Okay, so this is the reactions of the alcohol. Next reactions. Next reaction till here I will start it. Okay, till fifth reaction. Reaction with SOCl2. ROH plus SOCl2 give RCl SO2 plus HCl. Heating with ammonia. ROH react with HNO2. Heating process RNH2 and water. Oxidation of alcohol, it forms as RCH2OH in the presence of K2Cr2O7 in the oxidation state, form as RCHO. An oxidation state again with K2Cr2O7 to form as RCOOH. So this RCOOH again react with K2Cr2O7 and form as C double bond O and R and R group is present. Now next is method to obtain aldehyde from alcohol. So this one thing I will start from the next time. Okay, thank you students and have a nice day. One more thing students, listen to me very carefully, don't be confused. For the organic copy, one organic copy for the conversion. Conversion means if I have said the propene is changed into propyl like this one, and in that one conversion daily you have to write down in your copy for the revision, and the reactions which I am giving to you, the fitting reaction, Woods reaction, many reactions are left. Okay, those reactions also you have to write down, and some reactions is in your ABC book also. Okay, those reactions try to learn from there, but don't write it till I will not say what the reactions I am giving in the lecture. Those reactions you can write down. So first copy of organic is this one. Second organic copy, in second organic copy you have to write down about the alcohol, phenols, ethers, aldehyde for this one second copy. And first copy is for the physical and for the inorganic chemistry. Okay, physical inorganic chemistry means p block elements are there, like these things. Okay, so three copies you have to make, so don't be confused. If you see which one video, you can write down this one, because in the Zoom classes all students are not able to come, that's why we are making the video classes. So students, thank you and have a nice day.